Hi, today I want to show you the Signavio Transformation Manager. But what is the Transformation Manager? Imagine you now have to cook a 3-course meal. That seems probably a little bit overwhelming, quite complex. So the first thing you would do is to plan. You would plan which recipes you want to cook, which ingredients you need. Maybe you will cook one of the recipes up front, check how much time you will need, and so on. So basically, preparation and planning is the key here. With the S/4HANA transformation, it's quite similar. It's a big project which many customers are intimidated by. So you will start off by planning. You will see, okay, which areas can you improve in? You will see who is responsible for that and tie little small work packages. And that's what the Signavio Transformation Manager helps with. It helps to tie those little work packages, to schedule them, to assign responsibilities, to make sure that in the end they will get implemented and resolved.
And this is what it looks like. The Transformation Manager is part of the Collaboration Hub. Here you can find various initiatives such as the S/4HANA transformation. These initiatives can be easily created, allowing you to add users, set a start and end date, and define the status. Now we want to feed the initiative with so-called insights, which is basically data. The data comes from the Signavio mining solutions, Process Insights, and Process Intelligence. As we can see, this section is currently empty. So let's take a look at Process Insights to identify opportunities for process improvement. In this procurement process flow, we can see that 29% of purchase orders were created without a purchase requisition. This is non-compliant and should be improved. This metric can be easily highlighted and a new insight will be created. When we examine the procurement process in Process Intelligence more closely, we notice something similar. The best run score for purchase order creation is low, which we've already seen in Process Insights. This key figure can also be marked and added as an insight. The insights then appear in the Transformation Manager and can be bundled into initiatives. And that's how you cook your 3-course meal.